So I had something fall into my lap a couple of weeks ago, dealing with, telemarketers. Those calls, man. I hate those calls, and I always wondered if there was something I could do. Like, I literally wanted to go to war with these people. Like, is there something I can do to get these telemarketers, robocalls, just any offers, unsolicited calls, get these people to stop freaking calling me? And so, I watch like hundreds of videos a day and on YouTube, and I actually came across a video similar to the one you're seeing right now on the screen. If you're not seeing it, it's a news station, Fox 4 News. There are quite a few of them on YouTube talking about this guy who is, I guess for years, has been going after these robocall people. And man, I was like, man, that sounds interesting. So, I looked into it, and wow, he's got like, a whole setup. He sends you out some information to tell you how exactly you can make money off of these people calling you. Like, not hanging up on them and saying, oh, okay, I got something for you. I'm just never going to answer your call. I'm going to block your call and never have to hear from you again until, they come up with another fake number and call you from there. Well, this guy, man, when I tell you, he has came up with a solution that something you've never thought of. These people, a lot of the times, are in violation, a federal violation, calling your phone unsolicited, and you can make money from that. Like, make money. So you should actually try to talk to these people. I know, it's crazy. So what I'm saying that you should do is, I left the link in the description, and then you can go check it out for yourself. But there is certainly a way to make money from these robocallers calling your house and getting on your nerves. I mean, you're gonna look forward to these calls now. Like, I look forward to these calls now. Now, you do have to do a little bit of work. Obviously, you're gonna have to send some letters in. You ever send some letters in to, your credit repair people, or to the credit bureaus to say, hey, I need you to take something off of my credit report? Well, this is kind of similar to that. You're gonna, let these people know, hey, you cannot mess with me. You shouldn't even be calling me. I didn't say you could call me. Give me money. That's right. So if you want to learn more about it, just go in the description and see what's going on with that. But we got to go to war with these people. We got to do something.